You can zoom. He's scaring Cole. Now he's gonna move and scare the shit out of the other one.
He feels bad he's not gonna be able to get out.
So he can get out. He's the one sticking his head in like a dumbass. He's gonna do it again, watch.
Interesting.
Watch. He's so stupid. Hey.
Get your hand off the camera, you're retarded.
You're retarded. Coda. Coda. Come here, baby. Come here. Who's a good kitty kitty?
Come here, Fatty.
He doesn't respond to Fatty.
Well, he should. Just
Oh,
say
wait,
it.
he's studying the box. Sniffing the hole, he keeps going in. Oh, no. I think he knows he's watching. Watch him. He knows. Oh, shit! Oh, shit!